we're both pushing in towards the center line. So this is probably the simplest way to start. Notice how we're both leading in from the elbows and pushing in towards the middle. Wing Chun is all about triangles. It's your strongest shape. So we're both directing our energy towards the center. Hey guys, Warrior Marlin here. Hey listen, I want to show you guys some Wing Chun stuff. I learned it from one of my instructors. His name is Michael Billings. His tagline from Instagram is synthesis. So what we're going to do, so you know Chi Sao, everybody's done this lots, right? Everybody's like, man, why do we got to do Chi Sao? It's the one common drill that's very confusing and people are like, what's the point in this? So I'm going to show you some breakdown steps to how to do Chi Sao simplistically that he taught me. So what he's going to do is he's going to be in what's called double fook. So one of the big things with Chi Sao is all about sensitivity. So he's in double fook, I'm in double Tan Sao. Tan Sao means showing hand. Okay? Then I'm going to roll into what's called double Bong Sao, which is a deflecting hand. So my elbows are up. You can keep it in line with your shoulders, or as I've learned from my instructor is you can keep your elbows actually up a little higher. We're both pushing in towards the center line. So this is probably the simplest way to start. Notice how we're both leading in from the elbows and pushing in towards the middle. Wing Chun is all about triangles. It's your strongest shape. So we're both directing our energy towards the center. So I start here and then I roll in. So this is the first drill, right? Play with the angles of positioning. Try a little higher, maybe try a little lower. You have to find what works for you as far as positioning. For me, I tend to be up a little bit higher. Over the years, I've shifted the way I move it. Now, the other way you do it, so then of course you do that, let's say about 100 times. Then you switch, and then your partner does the same thing. Then you got to be able to feel. Notice I'm leading in from my elbows and pushing in. I'm not going up and down, I'm just going in straight, okay? Then from there, you're gonna do single hand. So, gonna be like this. So I'm gonna do single, right? He does this, right? Then we switch, just like so. And then of course we reverse sides. Then the other one is I'll start in double tan. Then I'm gonna go one at a time. I do bong, tan. Then I do the other side. Keeping it really simple, nice and slow. Remember, the slower you go, the better your technique will get with time. Then we do it like this. So I'm alternating here. Then, of course, then you can go back to the full drill. But I believe you got to work on those steps first to break your way into Chi Sao. Now, how to use this combatively? Because it's like, what's the point? So if I'm here sparring with my partner, he throws a jab, right? Boom, throws me a bunch of jabs. Boom. Here, just like that. So if you think of that fook sao, remember how we were doing fook, right? Like this. So he goes tan and then bong, boom. So that's, remember, fook sao is all about sensitivity. So when he feeds me that jab, I'm here, parrying it. Just like that. Then I can catch it. That sensitivity is all about feeling, striking. Then you can go into your underarm hooks, grappling, and all those kinds of things. I'll leave that to other instructors that are more skilled in that than me. That's it for me today. Warrior Marlin, signing out.